Hi, I'm Don from DonDronesOn. Today we're going to have a look at the Elehear Delights. These are over-the-counter hearing aids with the same form factor as earbuds. And not only are they great hearing aids, they also feature automatic language translation and some relief from tinnitus. We're going to start out hearing from John, who's been trying out the Elehear Delights for me, and then we'll have a closer look at what's in the box and the hearing aids themselves. Apologies in advance for all the background noise. We're recording at a family Easter get-together, a perfect environment for testing hearing aids. So John, you've been wearing the Elehear Delights for how long now?
About 3 weeks.
About 3 weeks.
Yep.
How have you found them?
I found them great. They're really simple and easy to use, easy to put in, easy to take out, and they don't interfere with anything else. My glasses, or if I'm wearing a hat, anything like that.
Right, because they're in your ear as
They're in your
opposed to
ear.
behind, and
Yep.
there's no wires.
You
or
really
anything.
don't even think about it as much. And you don't have to adjust them as much.
Yeah.
So it makes it a lot easier.
So comfort-wise, you said earlier that you've been wearing them all day.
They're very comfortable. It takes a while to get used to them, just like it did the last ones. Over-the-ear ones are different than these ones completely.
Yeah.
But I find these ones overall a better fit for me. They may not be for everybody, but they are for me. But you do have a choice with them.
So we've been celebrating Easter today. It's been very noisy. What setting do you have them at, and how have you found them?
I have them at a 4-level setting, and the tone is about 3. So it kind of takes out some of the background noise.
Okay.
So it makes it a little bit easier to listen to people. You know, if you put them up to 5 or 6, for me, I would hear absolutely everything.
Oh, really?
I could hear you eating your food, for crying out loud. They're that sensitive. So, yeah, it's kind of funny that way, because if you walk across the room and if they're set high, you can feel the floor creak, your feet on the floor, everything. But if you have them normal, it's just like, you would normally. You wouldn't really hear it. You don't pay attention to it.
Yeah.
So
now there's a sort of a treble bass setting, sharpness and stuff. Where does that work for you?
it does work, and depending on whether you're listening to music or just talking to somebody, you may want to make an adjustment. Mm-hmm. But they're pretty. Like, the app is so easy to use. It's just on your phone. Click. We're used to using our phones and used to apps. And it's a very easy app. It connects really smoothly and goes right to the screen you want. And then you can pick, whether you want general music, if you want a restaurant mode or a TV mode.
Yeah.
The sound is quite different in all of them.
Is that right?
And
so
the intensity.
you notice the difference in each of those settings?
Big difference.
Cool.
So I choose the music mode most of the time even when I'm talking to people. I have it on music mode right now.
Oh, really?
So when we had a lot of people in the house today for Easter, I used that mode, and I cut the volume down because I didn't want to hear everybody. Would have been a good day to not wear them.
But I know that when we were talking during the party, the Easter celebration, then but you could hear me very easily.
Can hear you, and I can also hear the other what they're saying in the other room, which without them I couldn't hear. I'd have a hard time hearing you, especially when there's a lot of people in the room.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's hard for anyone.
Well, it's really hard for me.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Okay. And what about when you're listening to music? Is it
Well, that's probably what I like about them most, because I really like to listen to music or listen to a book or anything like that. Yeah. They're just really good. The sound quality is really excellent. It's probably between this one and the last pair that I tried, these are much better for the music-wise.
Interesting.
You really, once the music mode is on and you're listening to music, you don't really hear anything outside of this. You can still, if my wife yells at me or gives me a look, well, then you'll hear it. But that happens.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, and you use these on telephone calls quite a few times too.
I use them on phone calls. They're fantastic. In the car, out of the car, they connect really quickly. And I also use them with my iPad too. So what you do with an iPad is, for instance, you disconnect and then you reconnect, and it hooks up to your iPad.
Oh,
so
I see.
you can use it on your iPad, and then if you want to use your phone, you just do the same process. It's really quick.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, and what about battery length?
They're terrific battery-wise. I've worn them, probably the most I've worn them is about 10 hours. I know they're rated for longer than that, but never a problem. Never a problem.
I think they're rated for 13 on a full charge.
They're incredible when you think about it.
Yeah.
You know?
Well, that's the ideal thing, that you don't have to worry about it. It's not like you're
Put 'em
saving.
in, don't have to worry about it. You don't have to worry about, you know, if you were going on a plane or going somewhere and you want to watch a movie, you'd never have to worry about it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, they're in your ear, and one of the things that I find with earbuds is I'm always worried about them falling out.
There's no way these are falling out.
Shake your head.
And I'm sure you can't take them out. They fit really well. Now, when I first got them, there was a different earbud in them, but they send you with a whole raft of them. And I have one of the smaller ones in where the canal goes in, and they fit perfectly, and there's no way they're coming out of my ears.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
That's really important.
It is important.
Yeah. Yeah.
You don't want to lose one. Not good.
Not a good thing.
Yeah.
Not at all. So overall, what would you say about the Elehear Delights?
I think they're the best hearing aids I've ever tried personally, and they're just really easy to control. The sound quality's great, and I don't miss a conversation, which is really nice.
That's great.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much, John.
Thank you, Don.
So here's what comes in the box. There's the charge case with the hearing aids inside. There's a charging cable for that case, and a whole selection of the different things that allow the hearing aids to adjust nicely into your ear. There's 3 pairs of closed domes and 3 pairs of open domes. The medium ones are already installed on the hearing aids. These are the pieces that go into your ear canal. And then there's these things which they call ear wings that are, again, replaceable in small, medium, and large that allow you to hold the hearing aid inside your ear. And then there's a little cleaning brush up here. All right, and then there's a quick start guide and a user manual and some other literature. Let's have a closer look at the hearing aids themselves. They turn on automatically when you take them out of the case, and when you put them back in, they turn off and start charging. Each one has a replaceable ear dome that you can just pull off, and then once that's off, you can replace this part, which is called the ear wing that holds it in your ear. There's a little opening here for the charging contacts for the charging case. And then on this side, that little hole there is the microphone. And this surface here is actually a button. A long press on that puts the volume up, and a double tap puts it down. And there's a little voice prompt in your ear to tell you what's going on. So that's as simple as it gets. So there we have it, the Elehear Delight hearing aids. Over-the-counter, in-ear hearing aids. Comfortable, effective, well, at least for someone with mild to moderate hearing loss, and affordable. Check out the description below for links to where you can check out these excellent hearing aids.